So today we're gonna have me making my makeup. So let's get started. I have my friend Dolly checking if I do it right.
This is my channel, by the way, but we're gonna let her take over. So go ahead.
No, this is my channel.
Okay.
Let me make a channel that everybody's gonna subscribe. Eyeshadow, not mascara, eyeshadow. This is eyeshadow. It has a little bit of light brown and a little bit of dark brown. So let's get started with the makeup mystery. Now let's put a little bit of brown, light brown. Let's do this one. Lighter that goes on your cheek. Is that right? Mascara. So let's get to the mascara part. That's my end, guys.